AI is increasingly becoming the most popular phrase in the world. And that's because everything we thought could only be done by the human intelligence mind can now be done with a few clicks or a few prompts. I've been searching for tools for a long time that can change the way we work. And now some tools I found are great. Some tools I found were average, but some tools I found changed everything I thought about the way AI works. Today, I've actually got a special video for you because I've brought in a special guest to talk about one of the tools that he's been using. He showed it to me on a call a few nights ago. And to be honest with you, I was so shocked that I said I have to show my audience. So he's going to jump in and show you exactly what this tool does. Think AI, think music video production, think how easy it could be to break into a niche where AI can just put you at the front face. So Curtis is going to give you a full run through of the tool and his honest opinion. Let's see what he's got to say.
Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now, but most people think you need a camera, editing skills, or expensive software. Honestly, you don't anymore. I've been testing a tool called Drama.land, and it basically lets you create full AI music videos, storytelling content, and faceless videos inside one workflow. No switching between loads of different tools. And before we get into it, if you want to try Drama.land yourself, use promo code TrueLee at the sign up. That gets you 2,000 free credits to start with. Link is in the description. Right. Hello guys, so here we are on Drama.land, and what we're going to be doing today, I want to show you exactly how Drama.land works. I'll first walk through the full AI music video workflow start to finish, then I'll show you some of the smaller quick tools like lip sync, motion control, and AI music generation. Again, if you want to try Drama.land yourself, use promo code TrueLee, all capitals, at sign up. That gets you 2,000 free credits to start with. Link is in the description. Okay, let's get into it. So the main thing I tested inside Drama.land was the full music video creation workflow, which is here. Now, inside Drama.land, you can generate scenes, create characters, build multi-scene videos, and add cinematic visuals and generate music directly inside the platform. So instead of manually editing clips together across different apps, you can create an entire AI music video much faster. Now, what I'm going to do, if we can click on this, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to create one from scratch right now, and I'm going to use a hip hop sort of theme. And it is really quite simple. As you can see, right? If I just click on this, as you can see down here in this prompt box, you've got the music video studio. So it tells you here what you can do and how you can do it to create what sort of prompt to generate what you're looking for. So we're going to create a music video, right? And I've got this on music video. So I'm going to pop my prompt in. Hip hop music video, urban night scenes, rain-soaked streets, neon reflections, rooftop city views, penthouse interior, right? All you need to do is click generate. So as you can see here, where the journey is starting, you can see the AI generating and working through the process. So it's analyzing, processing. This is the first round. It's going to create a music video narrative, going to generate the music. Right, okay, so we're going to start our journey right here. So I'm guessing it wants me to pop in my narrative. Let's just pop a little narrative in here. Copy that, we'll pop that in, and then it's asking us to create a topic or a style of music. We'll pop that in as well. Try and keep it as simple as possible. Right, okay, right. So what we've got a young man rises from the streets to the top of the city, fast cars, penthouse houses, everything he wanted, but the higher he climbs, the more he loses. By the end, he's back where he started, alone, staring up at what used to be this. And then the music generation, dark, cinematic hip-hop, slow building trap beat with moody piano chords and deep bass. Starts minimal, just drums and keys, builds into a full sound with layered strings and hard-hitting 808s, atmospheric and broody throughout. No lyrics, instrumental only, right? And then we'll just click generate. Let's see what goes on. You can see Dolly processing. This is for the music. And as you can see here, the current phase is complete. It's proceeding to the next step. Right, so it's explaining what it's done, what the feel of the video is, the vibe, the music, the visual concept, the vocals, any negative tags, the model, and then over here it's giving me a choice to choose between glass crown, dark. And we'll choose this one. Let's choose that one. And then here's the full. It's got all the lyrics going on right here. So it's giving me music and a music video. Do we want to plan this? Yeah. So let's plan this. Let's hit generate again. Moving on to the next stage, to the next phase. So we've completed the music pack with 2 options, and I've chosen option number 2, and we'll see that working now. The AI and Dolly keeping me up to date and on track on what is being created step by step, all down here. Here's the treatment, here's the story, concept, music video type. It's a hybrid one. We've got the concept right there, the narrative, the key scenes, characters. Right, let's generate, let's get going. As you can see here, Dolly's work is done as the visual settings. Okay, so it's asking us to select the visual style. Right, we'll have it at 16.9. It's got that modern urban going on about it. We'll generate again. There we have our character, Javi, moody looking fellow. Next step. So we've gone through all of these steps. We've got the 16.9 modern urban visual style. We've got the treatment, story concepts. This goes through everything. And we've got the music. The last step we did was creating that character, Javi. Looks a little bit like me in my heyday with hair. Right, and now we've got the visual reference. Right, on to the next step. Character list, visual reference. Okay, so we'll have this one. We've got the locations, location list, all of the locations, just to confirm what's going on. Character pack confirmed, visual reference stage. Right, look and feel each scene in your music. Visual reference images will be generated to define the look and feel of each scene. So it's working with me through this process. It's not just sticking clips together. It's actually asking for me. It's working with me. It's comprehending. Right, we'll generate now. Now it's storyboarding. So, you know, you do a storyboard if you're doing a movie, if you're doing a short film, a series, even with a music video. That is storyboarded as well. So now that's that storyboard, and it gives us the segment list one by one, each scene one by one, how it's going to be put together, all the references, the music, the audio segment, which will be laid over the top of it. And now it gives us the model for what we want. So a model for non-lip sync segments. Should we give this? Let's just go with this. Okay, and let's just generate. As you can see here at the bottom, the credits which you're using, and now we are creating the design, the segment design. And here are the segments, 22 segments, generate, and then after this you will see the video completed and put together. Okay, we've gone through all of the segments. The last segment it was doing was this segment here, which is when it's rapping directly into the camera. So they're just probably syncing the lyrics with the image. So now we will go to compose. It's got all the settings here. We don't want the watermark. We've got other captions. Let's just compose it from what it is. Let it process this. Finally composing everything together to get ready to play and then ready to export, which you can do. Considering the amount of data and image and audio that it's composing and sticking together. And the final bit of processing has started with all the settings. Okay, so there we have it. We will have a look, make sure everything's been put through here. We've got that there, so that can be exported or downloaded. So this entire example video was created using Drama.land. The visuals, the scenes, the music, all generated inside the platform. And honestly, this feels more like creating a complete project rather than just generating random AI clips. Now let's have a little look at this. Right, so guys, I'm bringing you back here now after I've just downloaded the finished piece, so we can see how it looks full screen from a full download. So I'll play it there. And as you can see, you've got the caption there.
Started with a map and a brew, pocket full of smoke and loose screws.
Looks good.
I knew the block by the drain and the gate.
So it doesn't only just create that video, it'll create the music as well. Got the lyrics, got the music, you can have it as instrumental, and the impressive part is right here now coming up, where you'll see him lip syncing the lyrics and the music all together. Very impressive stuff by Drama.land.
to the grave. I was built to crib. City made me hard. Then it took my heart. From the mud to the grave.
Okay, so you've seen me create a music video. Now I'm going to go through some of the quick tools that it's got, and I'll just do a little demonstration on one of them. So you'll go here to your tools section. Now it includes all of these smaller quick tools for shorter form content. These are more designed for quick clips and social media. Okay, so we could move down here and you can see all of these little creator tools down here. You got all the models, the creator tools here, the sound, design, AI, voices, music studio, and we go here to these tools. So what you've got your motion sync, your lip sync, and your meme studios. You'll also have your music studio and music design, but right now what I'm going to demonstrate is the lip sync. So all we do here with the lip sync feature, it lets you upload an image, add dialogue or audio, and turn it into a talking avatar. So again, this is quite simple to use. We'll go to lip sync and we'll just add and we'll upload an image first, so then that image is uploaded. So we've uploaded an image. Now let's just upload some audio and a little voice recording that I popped on. Okay, just play it.
I didn't film anything. I didn't record a proper studio take. This
Very
is just
creative.
an image and an audio clip.
Right, that'll do. We'll pop that one on and then we hit generate and see what comes of it. Dolly starts creating here. So it's going through that process again of the AI generation. There we can see everything being worked out. Saying generate approve lip sync. Right, we'll generate and approve that. Sparks flying off my pen. It's an AI creates away. As you can see here, it's asking me if I want to make any changes or adapt it as it's generating. I just want to complete. Okay, so we have the lip sync video and the lip sync audio. They're just putting those two together. The hooded character speaking to your video clip. Having a quick revision of it before we can get it completed. Right, so here's the downloaded lip sync of the hooded man. I'll just play this, see what we can see. I didn't film anything. I didn't record a proper studio take. This is just an image and an audio clip. Very, very impressive. Now that's just an image and an audio clip. No filming, no studio. That's it. Useful for commentary videos, AI news, TikToks, shorts, and faceless talking videos. Again, really impressive stuff. So we saw there from the lip sync that you just add an image or an audio clip, no filming, no studio, that's it. Useful for commentary videos, AI news, TikToks, shorts, and faceless talking videos. The other quick tool we had there was motion sync, motion control. This helps create more dynamic movement instead of static AI videos, and that's useful for viral style clips, social content, and more engaging short form videos. And we also have, if we go back here, we have music generation inside the music studio. And what that does, instead of searching for copyright free music everywhere, you can just generate it directly inside the platform. And because it's all inside one workflow, it saves a massive amount of time. And you saw when I was creating the music video that alongside creating the actual video, it was creating and generating music along with lyrics and giving you the option for it to be instrumental or to be captioned. This is pretty awesome stuff. All of this is so useful. I mean, what I like most is the speed. You can create content without filming, test multiple ideas quickly, scale uploads faster, and reduce editing time massively. Especially useful if you're trying to upload consistently or grow faceless channels. And honestly, tools like this are making AI content creation way more accessible, especially for creators experimenting with faceless channels, storytelling videos, AI music videos, and short-term content. If I had to pick one thing, it's the all-in-one workflow. That's where it saves you the most time. Honestly, tools like this are making AI content creation way more accessible, especially for creators experimenting with faceless channels, storytelling videos, AI music videos, and short form content. If I had to pick one thing, it's the all-in-one workflow. That's where it saves you the most time. If you want to try Drama.land yourself, the link is in the description, and use promo code TrueLee at the sign up. You'll get 2,000 free credits to get started with. Worth trying before you spend anything. See you in the next one.
There you go, guys. Big thank you to Curtis coming on the channel. Big thank you for you to watching. Please let me know if this is an AI tool that you think you're going to use. I honestly was shocked the first time I saw it. It's absolutely amazing. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you next time.